Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to peel off the skin of your beans with your blender in just few minutes, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And for this I'll be using black eye beans. You can go ahead and use brown beans or honey beans. So I will just be adding it inside my pot, and I will add a reasonable amount of water that we use in soaking this for about an hour. You must not necessarily use pot to soak yours. You can use any bowl. It's still a bit thick, but I'll be leaving it to soak for 1 hour to soften it a bit. If it's brown beans, after soaking it for even 30 minutes, not even up to 1 hour, it will be very easy for you to peel off the skin. But with black eye beans, it's very difficult for you to peel off the skin. So after about an hour, I will start peeling off the skin with my blender. So I'll just go on and start adding it inside my blender. I don't have to overpower my blender, so I will not be adding a lot, just half of the blender, and I will add enough water to it, at least 2 inches above the beans content. Then I will go on and start peeling off the beans by using the pause function, but this my blender doesn't have that pause function. So what I'll be doing is I will blend and stop, I will blend and stop. Just on your blender, off it, on and off it for some times, like repeat it like 6 to 7 times. Just by doing so, it will peel off the skin of the beans. You don't need to waste too much time in peeling off the skin of the beans, because when using only your palms to peel off the skin of the beans, you waste too much time, and with these black eye beans that is very difficult. You will even have pain in doing it. And after peeling off the whole beans, this is what I have. So I will go on and throw away this water. Then I will add a fresh water which I will be using in washing out the skin of the beans. I'm throwing away the water because the water is a little bit foamy, and remember that I used this same water to soak the beans, so I need to use a clean water to wash out the skin of the beans. But you can continue to use the same water, you just decide, okay? So please, if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for being there for me. You guys are so amazing. Remember to also share out the video. So this is what I will be doing. I will add water into the beans. I will stir it around, then I will pour out the water. By pouring out the water, the chaff of the beans will also follow it out. So that's what I will be doing, and this is after the first rinse. I will not be throwing out the water. I will still be recycling it. I will use it several times to wash out the skin of the beans till I'm done taking out the skin. You see the amount of the chaff that I got from the first rinse. So like I said earlier, I will still be recycling the water. I will not be throwing it out to take new water, but you can decide to throw away the water and be collecting new water from the tap each time you want to rinse out the skin of the beans. So I basically just add the water back, stir it around so that the chaff will float on top of the water. Then without wasting much time, I will just sieve out the water the same time with the chaff, just like so. So that's what I'll be doing. I will repeat it several times till I'm done taking out the chaff of the beans. Please, if you're still watching up to this extent, remember to give this video a thumbs up and share out the video if you find this video helpful. And this is how it's looking after the second rinse. And if you look very well, you will see that some of the beans still has the skin on it. So I will go on and pick it one after the other. But if you don't want to pick it, you can just use your both palms and just rub on the beans to take out the skin. But I feel that is waste of time, so I just pick it out and I will still reblend it as I did the first time. I just add a little bit of water, reblend it, and I start washing out the beans again. That's just how I do my own. Okay, and it's very easy. So after that, I will continue using my water to take out the skin of the beans. I think the whole process took me like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but not more than 15 minutes. But before, I use like hours to wash out the skin of the beans when I want to prepare moi moi or akara. The beans is almost ready. You can go ahead and use it like this, but I just want to take out all the skin because I'll be using some parts to prepare moi moi and some parts to prepare akara. And you know that when preparing akara, you need everything to be white. So I make sure that I take out all the skin from it. So it's almost ready, and once it's ready, I will use clean water to rinse it before I will use it to prepare my food. So after this is ready, you see, so I'll be adding clean water from the tap. I will just rinse it twice to make sure that it's very clean. And after rinsing it out, this is what I have. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you learn one or two things. If you did learn one or two things, please share out the video. Bye.